it rises high, blocks the blue in the open sky. Breathing in the gray, it chokes. Concrete whispers and heavy cloaks. City smoke hides the stars with its heavy cloak. City smoke, dreams dissolve in every stroke. Lanterns glow through the murky air. Streetlights flicker, but they don't care. Silent horns in the distant night, chasing shadows and fading light. Oh, the skyline's drowning slow, where the breezes used to blow. City smoke hides the stars with its heavy cloak. City smoke, dreams dissolve in every stroke. Through the haze I see no end. City wraps me like a friend, but its arms are cold and tight. No escape, no morning light. Across the sea, the island calls to me. I feel the breeze, yeah man. Sun heartbeat. Coconut chalice, take me to paradise. Coconut chalice is so nice. No need to run, just have some fun. Beneath the sun, we free. Coconut chalice, take me to paradise. Coconut chalice is so nice. Jah is love, Jah is life. Give thanks every day and night, yeah. the street. Same old stories can't be beat. Got my own rhythm, got my own feet. Trying to find some sugar sweet. The echo, it bounces around my head, you know. The echo, where does the good vibe go? Sometimes I wonder what it's all about. This constant struggle, this endless doubt. Gotta break free, gotta shout it out. Let the positive energy sprout. The echo, it bounces around my head, you know. The echo, where does the good vibe go? Flicker low, but never die. Wind may howl, stars may cry. Through the dark, the embers stay. A little light to guide the way. Eternal flame, eternal flame, burning through the cold and rain. Eternal flame, eternal flame, voices whisper on the windowsill. A rhythm beats, a soul to feel. Burning, burning, never chill. Ever blazing, ever true. Spark that always breaks through. Ever Fire keep blaze the way. Drums talk stories of the earth's heartbeat. Wind hums softly, but it can't compete with the pulse, with the fire, with the soul's retreat. Move your feet, feel the heat, make the circle complete. Echoes bounce in the valley deep. The fire wakes while the city sleeps. Fire keep burning, never let it fade. Fire keep turning through the night and day. Fire keep glowing, in the hearts it stays. Fire keep blaze the way. The spirit's guide, a signal to the ones who never hide. Let the dub roll heavy, let the sound collide. Let the fire keep strong, let it never subside. Ganja stories filling the air, every leaf a tale to share. Roll it up, roll it tight, feel the rhythm ignite. echoes of drums in the haze. Eyes half closed, lost in the blaze. Time slows, moves in a daze. The sun rises slow like a lion in the haze. Golden fingers stretch through smoky rays. I hear the drums, they call my name. The rhythm speaks, it burns my flame. Just spirit, feel it rise. In the roots, in the skies, in my eyes. Just spirit, guiding me through the waves of this endless sea. The streets hum low with a rebel song. Voices of the past still marching strong. The bassline whispers, the treble shouts. Just spirit shows what life's about. One love, one fire, one beating heart, from the end to the start. Just spirit, feel it rise. In the roots, in the skies, in my eyes. Just spirit, guiding me through the waves of this endless sea. The dub rolls deep, shakes my bones. Echoes ripple like ancient tones. Just spirit walks where the shadows fall. A voice of peace calls us all. sky is falling when the earth turns cold. Hold it close, don't let it fall. It's a whisper louder than the storm, a glowing truth keeping spirits warm. whisper secrets that talk. The horizon bends where the brave hearts flock. Ocean of strength, pull me in, pull me in. Where the tides begin, where the tides begin. Ocean of strength, let it spin, let it spin. Moonlight dances on a restless tide. Stars are maps for the souls inside. Anchor your fears, let the drift decide. The sea don't lie, the sea don't break. It sways and shifts, it learns what's fake. Ocean of strength, pull me in, pull me in. Where the tides begin, where the tides begin. Ocean of strength, let it spin, let it spin. Salt-stained hands, a story untold. Currents of silver, currents of gold. The deeper you dive, the freer the whole. Turns gold, feet on the sand, stories untold. A rhythm calls the soul to roam, far from the noise, far from the storm. Running free like the rivers flow, where the winds kiss the trees I go. No chains, no walls, just the open sea. I'm running free, yeah, running free. The shadow fades where the moonlight bends. No clocks, no ties, no bitter ends. The echoes bounce from heart to ground. A rebel's path where truth is found. Running free like the rivers flow, where the winds kiss the trees I go. No chains, no walls, just the open sea. I'm running free, you're running free. Echoes ripple in the deep, dreams awaken where they sleep. Freedom whispers soft and slow. Feel the beat, let it grow. sky of gold. Every breath a story, every puff a song. The rhythm of the earth keeps rolling along. Breathe it in, let it flow, let it grow. Feel the vibe, let it show, let it glow. Smoke circles dancing in the night. We keep it steady, keep it light. millionaire. Every breath draws love declare. Morning breaks with a golden fire. Mountains hum like a sacred choir. River whispers where the heart retired. Zion light, Zion bright, guiding me through the darkest night. Zion light, Zion bright, holding on, we'll be alright. Roots go deep in the sacred ground. Every drum makes the spirit sound. Freedom grows where the truth is found. Oh, the wind, it calls my name. Oh, the sky, it feels no shame. Zion light, Zion bright, guiding me through the darkest night. Zion light, Zion bright, holding on, we'll be alright. Zion light, Zion bright, guiding me through the darkest night. Zion light, Zion bright, holding on, we'll be alright. Echoes bounce in the valley wide. Shadows dance but they can't hide. Every star has a tale to confide. Zion light, Zion bright, guiding me through the darkest night. Zion light, Zion bright, holding on, we'll be alright. Zion light, Zion bright, guiding me through the darkest night. Zion light, Zion bright, holding on, we'll be alright. I see them people running, running through the streets. Them heart is thumping to a reggae beat. Rastafari, give us strength to carry on. Zion peace, Zion peace is what we need. Is what we need. No time for fighting, time for love instead. The world keeps on turning, words need to be said. tell tales untold. The sky's a canvas brushed with gold. Roots dig deep where secrets lie. Zion of wind where spirits fly. Zion of wind, Zion of breeze, carry my soul across the seas. Zion of wind, hear my plea, lift me higher, set me free. Echoes of drums in the valley below, the pulse of the earth in the river's flow. Leaves are dancing, the air's alive. Zion of wind, where hearts revive. Blow, blow, carry me home through the dust and over the stone. Blow, blow, whisper my name. Zion of wind, I'll never be the same. Zion of wind, Zion of breeze, carry my soul across the sea. Zion of wind, hear my plea, lift me higher, set me free. Whistling winds, a melody sweet, guiding my steps, moving my feet. Zion